After learning analog to digital converters, we will see now digital to analog converters or DAC, that is the chip DAC 0800. So from the name only we can know that it converts digital 8-bit signals to analog digital 8-bit data to analog signals or voltage signals. The digital to analog converters convert 8-bit binary numbers into their equivalent analog voltages. DACs are used in various applications such as waveform generation, PWM means pulse wave modulation, motor control applications, etc. These are the applications. The output of DAC can be connected to a display device such as CRO to observe the waveform. So as said, it will give the output as voltages, analog voltages, and to see which waveform it is forming, we can use a device like CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, to know how the waveform is looking or formed. The DAC 0800 IC chip is an 8-bit DAC manufactured by National Semiconductor. So resolution is 8-bit, that is it can convert 8-bit digital data to respective wave. It can convert to analog voltage output. So this is the pin diagram of 0800 IC, where from pin number 5 to 12 we will give the input of 8-bit, where this is the MSB, B1 or pin 5 is MSB, and then bit 8 is the LSB bit. Here we will give the potential or the power supplies, and this is compensation, this is threshold control. I out, we have two I outs. Here we have said that it will give analog voltage as the output, but the chip gives output in form of current. We have to add more components to it like op-amp so that we can get output as the voltage. So we have two outputs in the form of current. We can take output from any one of them, and then these are the power supply pins. This is the specification. DAC 0800 is a 16-pin DIP IC. DIP means dual inline package integrated circuit. It has a settling time of around 100 milliseconds and can operate on a range of power supply voltages from 4.5 to 18 volt. Within this range it will operate. Beyond this, the voltage may damage the IC, whereas the optimum voltage power supply is plus 5 or plus 12 volt. So, and reference voltages V plus reference and V minus are used. V minus pin is kept at minus 12 volt. This V minus pin is kept at minus 12 volt. Here we can supply plus 12 volt or plus 5 volt. These are supplied accordingly. The output from 0808 DAC, this is 0800 DAC is current. So we need current to voltage converter at output by using an op-amp. So in this diagram we have connected 8255 chip. This is the PPI, programmable peripheral programmable input output chip. This is port A. Port A is giving input to the DAC 0800. So it is giving here input, and these are the power supplies that we have to give, and here also power supply. This pin 2 is the I out or current output. We have grounded it, indicating that we are not taking this into consideration. So pin number 4, or this is the output current that we are considering. This is the output current that we are considering, or this is the output current, equivalent output current of whatever bits we have fed as input, and this goes to the op-amp along with other circuit. It will give the analog output or the voltage supply or the voltage waveform as the output. If we connect to CRO, then we can observe the waveform. And the most important thing while doing programmings with this DAC is that whatever input we are giving is uh, proportional part of the voltage. This is the formula. Voltage output equals to V out divided by 2 to the power n whole into the input bits that we are giving in decimal. Suppose we already know that n equals to 8 bits because we are giving the input in 8 bits. 2 to the power n is therefore 256. Suppose V out is 5 volt as given in the diagram. Now, if input is 00H, output is 5 into 0 divided by 256, which gives 0 volt as the output. If input is 10H, then input in decimal will be 16. Therefore, putting it in the formula, we will receive the output voltage as 0.3 volt. Now, if input is 80H, that is equivalent decimal is 128, we will get the value as 2.5 volt, and similarly when it is FFH, we will get the value as approximately 5 volt. So as we are increasing the value from 00 to FF, the output voltage will also increase, and thus we will get any form of wave if we are continuously sending input to the DAC.